Today is what? July 6 here. It's the birthday of Auntie Sam. And tomorrow is Uncle Gio's and Mommy's birthday. And then July 9, 2008 is Magina's birthday. Say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ay, nako. 1-year-old na naman. Tapos si Jordan naman. Diyos ko. Gagawin yata August 2 kasi yung, yung July 29 falls on a Tuesday. So, siguro nga. Hey, where are you? Nasaan ka? Jordan, where are you? Ang likot-likot. Oh, ang likot-likot talaga. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, everybody. And to me also. Say, Jordan, happy birthday. Bulaga. Bulaga, bulaga, bulaga. Bulaga, bulaga, bulaga. Ga, 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 ga. Bulaga, bulaga, bulaga. Jordan, where are you? Jordan, 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 boy. Bulaga. Jordan, bulaga. Bulaga, bulaga. Ay, nako. Oh, you're drooling again. Ay, nako, Jordan. Iipin eh. Sunod-sunod na nga yung ipin niya eh. 2 na ngayon sa taas, 3 na sa baba. Tapos may isa pang tumutubo sa baba. Kaya nung July 4th, hindi nakapunta sa kila Janjan dahil sinusumpong dahil sa ngipin. Ay, nako. O, ayan. Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody. Say happy birthday, everybody. Jordan. Jordan, 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 boy. What are you doing? Ano ba yung kinakalikot mo dyan? Ano ka ba, oy? Jordan. Oy, pakita mo yung ilong mo sa kanila. Di bale, yung kay mamita nga nung araw, parang teddy bear eh. O bakit ngayon? Si Jordan, lalo na. Puti-puti pa, oh. Pero iitim din to. Lalaki. Oh, anyway, goodbye, everybody. Mwah, 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 mwah. Say hi. Love you, Lolo Tuhod and Lola Tuhod. Everybody, I love you and I miss you. Say, see you all soon. Jordan. Ay, nako. Busy-busy ka. Kalikot ng ewan ko. Hindi niya lang kumisa kung anong gagawin eh.